Hey there, I'm reviewing this 3 pairs gold hoop earrings set. Perfect for anyone who loves stylish and versatile jewelry. The dainty design and 14-karat gold plating give these earrings a luxurious look, while the hypoallergenic material ensures they're comfortable for sensitive ears. The set includes a variety of small Huggie and stud styles, making them suitable for both casual and formal occasions. Whether you're dressing up for an event or adding a touch of elegance to your everyday outfit, these earrings are a great choice. They make a wonderful gift for women and girls, combining trendy design with timeless appeal. Highly recommend this set for its quality, affordability, and style.